Good afternoon, class. This lesson is going to be about how to access the Alexandria Library from home. So you would go to martinhighschool.elisd.org. You would click on the website. You would click on About Our Campus, and then you see the drop-down menu. Then you would click on Library. You would then scroll down until you find our resources. So you would click on Symbaloo. And since we're going to do it from home, you have to click on Alexandria from home. Okay. So let's say a student is looking for a book about zombies. Since it's going to be Halloween, maybe students want to do a research on it or just want to look up zombies for the fun of it. So they go ahead and click on the search, type in the topic, and enter. And there you have all the books that Martin High School Library has in the Alexandria catalog. We have different ones. You can see their call number, their title, the author's name, and let's say we're going to click on one of them. It can even tell you the accelerator reader points. It can also even tell you where in the library is it placed. It tells you the physical descriptions. It tells you a little summary of the book. So there you have it. That is how you access Martin High School's Alexandria catalog through your house. Thank you.